demonstrate my project for DevOps, Python, and Nucamp Bootcamp. It's called Med Guardian. It's meant to be a patient medication or personal medication assistant. I'm a pharmacist, and one of the aspects of pharmacy that's difficult with patients is adherence. This is meant to assist them with knowing what their drugs are, who the prescribers are, and when they're supposed to take them, including sending alerts to them and being able to print out their daily medications. So I'm going to log in here. I did make an account a short time ago, but instead of running through that to keep the demo short, I will just log in. Okay, so Samuel Adams, famous from the Revolution, from this area of the country. He's our patient here. I will show you, he has a couple of medications listed already. You can look at active medications and you can look at prescribers. I'm going to demonstrate adding a prescriber quickly. Add prescriber. We added Bill Thompson, and so now you see he has Mary Wilson and Bill Thompson there. We're going to add a medication quickly. This utilizes information on medications from the FDA database. Let's see something with a K. Ketoconazole, let's do that. He's got a fungal infection. So it reads in over 40,000 medications from a tab delimited text file that I have to parse and make proper for the format that I need, and then I can save that to the database, and that's done as a service in the system. Sort of rushing through here because I did a demo a short time ago and it was very long. So you can see that ketoconazole is added. I'm going to edit the administration times twice daily. This is a multi-select box here. He's going to take it at 4:20 and let's see, we'll do 3:35 p.m. Save that. Okay. So you can see the administration times here, and then we can look back at the active medication list, and you can see that that's been updated. This does use SMS alerts that should be sent to the patient's cell phone based on these administration times. I did try a demo earlier, and I was hoping that would pop up in the messages here. It doesn't seem to be doing that. It's coming up on my phone, though. But you can see an image of that in the GitHub repo that demonstrates MedGuardian. One of the other features I want to show you, though, quickly, there's a search for prescribers. We can put in Wilson, which is one of the prescribers in here. I think Portsmouth, and search. You see that here. Had that not been one of the prescribers for this patient already, we could select that and it would add it back to that list. If we go to today's medications, which should show the patient what is due that day, not every medication a patient is on is taken every day. This is meant to show the patient that. It could have additional functionality where you can check off which of the meds you've taken already, and then you could print that out. I haven't implemented all of that yet, but from here you can download a PDF of the medications, and you see that these are each here, including the additional ketoconazole. This can be printed or saved. So some of the difficulties with this project, it's a lot to learn Django, especially if you're going to use class-based views in addition to forms. The REST framework is pretty extensive. It's helpful. Once you get used to using the framework, it is easy to implement applications. The other aspect that I ran into difficulty, I wanted to deploy this in Kubernetes, but I was not able to figure out how to adjust the manifest so that it would be able to handle multiple containers. I just didn't have time. I wanted to get this done by the first and deploy it. So that's something I'll continue to look into on this project as well. It did generate a lot of opportunities to learn, dig deeper into some of the web frameworks that are there, as well as utilize the DevOps information that we learned. I don't know if you could hear my phone ding there, but that was one of the alerts for these medications. So that's all I have. Thank you very much.